All right, good? You got a picture? All right. So what I'm doing here, now I'm not a window guy. I do not know how to install windows. So all I know is I got a 38 by 42 frame here. 38 wide, 42 height. And I'm trying to install this window I bought from Lowe's. I do not want to have to custom order a window. It'd be too much money. Already enough money. This one is a, let's see. This window is a 35 and a half by 37 and a half. So what I had to do is I had to make this opening smaller, right? And down here, come over here. Down here, I got this big gap because I got brick out here. And I don't know what to do about this. So, let's see. What I've ended up doing, I just got this taped together for now because it's two pieces. Is I got this seal here to cover this gap. And I'm going to shim it up so it's at a slight angle on both sides. Something like that. And now it's got my gap here pretty well covered. Out here, I'm gonna have to put brick molding. All right, so got my shims back there. Got that to reduce the size of my opening. I basically just came around here, forgot to show it, but I just added this tape all around this opening here, even on the bottom. I've got this guy situated. There's a little bit of a gap here. I can actually see into the house there, but I'm gonna caulk it. Hopefully it'll be okay. Now I'm going to put the window in. So all I did was I slid the window in. I got a piece of plastic there, so I'm not gonna finish tonight, just to try and keep any water out. But I basically just slid this nail hole, got this nail hole as close to the outside of this board as I could to make it a little easier when I go to put my brick molding on the outside. And I just made sure that that was 3/4, and it was the same up here at the top. Did that on the other side as well, and we will put the brick mold on tomorrow. Okay, so yesterday when I started this video, I had 2 boards up there, and I got to thinking it'd probably be better if I split the difference. So I've added one down here on the bottom, and I just put a piece of tape right there. I'm gonna stick the window in there, and I'll be back. All right, so now we're back outside, and I had to add these strips over here on the side to make this stuff lay flat, because this is kind of what I'm doing. This brick mold I've got, where is it? This brick mold I have here is not going to be enough to fill this gap because I put in the smaller window. I don't know if you can get a larger size of this or what, but what I'm doing is I am just putting this flat PVC trim here to close the gap, and then I'm going to go back around it with this brick molding once I'm done. All right, so here it is, the finished window. I had to use that spacer back there, as you see right there. And then I put the brick mold on top of it. Cut that in a nice 45. And, falling down the stairs. That's it. Looks pretty decent.